Welcome back to our mess channel. So for today's video, we are going to mainly focus on existing homeowners who are currently living inside but wants to get our metallic epoxy floors. So the main concern that most of you may have right now is that whether it may be very troublesome. However, for today's video, we're going to show you how easy it is for us to come in and install without even you lifting a finger. Oh, we're done. So this is what you need to do. Just sit back and relax, and we will do the heavy lifting for you guys. Bye-bye.